What's going on, guys? It's Brian. Today I'm going to be posting on my car audio channel how to put a new chain on a dirt bike and how to take links off of it if it is too long. As you can see, here's the old chain. It's a little worn out. It's old, stretched out to the point where it's too long now. So yeah, it's pretty bad, as you can tell. There's the master link right there. So show you guys how to fix that. There it is. Yeah, I don't know. You just pop this chain off right here. Pop that link off. I'll actually do it right now. Let's see if I can. Get it off on video. It's probably seized on. It's old. Put it in here. Yeah, I'll take it off video. Where'd it go now? There it is. It's unbelievable how good the camera is. But yeah, I'll show you guys in a little bit how to do that. Let me get the chain off first, and then we'll match these two chains up, because this is supposed to fit. I took it to a Yamaha dealer because, as you can tell, this is not a name brand bike. It's actually called a Red Cat. It's just a Chinese bike. I'll figure out how to match them up. So yeah, this is a bike I've been working on for the past couple of years. Looks a lot better than it used to. It's the only decals, plastic dipped it, and it came apart right here. Other than that, it's holding up pretty good. I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Let me get the chain off. Alright, so a little bit of blood later. And it instantly popped off. So as you can tell, the wheel's free spinning now. There's the chain. For any people that are new at this, I'm pretty new at this. I mean, I've been doing it my whole life, but doing a dirt bike chain is a little different than a pedal bike chain. And there's how it pops off. There's the only two pieces, and then there's one more actually. Let me grab it. There's one more right here. This pops off. It's just the actual thing that holds the whole thing together. Let me show you how it goes together right here. Alright. So let's see. Here's one end of the chain. And another end of the chain, right? Let's get that in camera. So one end and the other end. Basically, you got this. It's gonna go together. Like that. The other one's gonna sit on it. Just like that. You're gonna put this actual piece, put it right in. Right, snaps in. And then you just go ahead and slide the master link on. You just slide it through. Just like that. I'm not gonna put it together yet because I still have to actually take the links off of this chain, and I'll show you a way to do it. Alright, so this is the brand new chain I have for it that I actually bought last year, but I lost it. So yeah, hold on, I'll be right back. Alrighty. So as you can tell, on the left is the old chain, on the right is the new chain. The old chain is a lot longer than it needs to be, but this new chain's a lot nicer. See, as you can tell, it ends there. This one's still going on. So it definitely needs to be a lot smaller. And there's the end of it. So let's go ahead and let's figure out. We know for a fact that this chain starts right here. And we know for a fact the old one is too long, okay? So we do know that this needs to end at least right here. At least. So what I'm going to do is now there's certain ways to take a chain apart. Someone's going to say that this is the wrong way. Basically, if you flip the chain, I've tried to pop the pin off. I've tried. You can buy a chain like the pin remover. I'm not going to spend money. I don't know, I just don't think it's necessary. Okay. Basically what's going to happen is I'm going to take the grinder and I'm going to grind the pin right there. Just simple. The only thing is you got to be careful when doing it because you can fuck the chain up. Sorry. But yeah, because you don't want to do that. So let me go ahead and actually figure out where I need to cut it, and I will let you guys know. Alright, peace. Alrighty, so hold on, what the fuck, dude? People are making noise over there. What are they doing? What the hell is that? Damn Mexicans riding power tools and shit. A bobcat. Alright, so I'm ready to cut the chain now, and what I'm going to do is, alright, check it out. So there's where the old one ends, right there, okay? Let me point it out to you guys. So this is where the old one ends, and I'm going to have this one as the new pinhole, if that makes sense. Like, I'm going to, this right here, this one, if I trim this pin out, it'll drop down, trim this and this one, because what you want is the open end, which is this. So this is what I'm going to trim right here. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to grind it out. I can't stress it enough, guys. I really can't. I was never a person to do this, but safety goggles are a must when you're working with something like this. Because I don't know, I've gone through too many issues with it. So, you go ahead and grind out the chain now. Something got all messed up. Alright. Yeah, we're fine. So like I said, it's going to be this pin and this pin that I'm going to chisel out. It's just, you have to be careful, and then I'm going to flip it, and maybe I'm going to have to do the other side, but I shouldn't have to. But just be very careful not to press too hard on the grinder. I'm going to try to get the right shot for you guys. As you're not going to be able to go in too far. So that should be good. Alright. Try this now. Alrighty, let me give you guys a close-up of what happened here. Basically, what I went ahead and did was actually grinded out the pins. See what I'm saying now? So now there's virtually no pin there. So I should be able to flip the chain out and pop the pin out a lot easier than before, where I was actually sitting there banging on it and nothing ever happened. So there's, you know, no pin at all whatsoever there. So, go ahead, pop this, drop the chisel, Get the C-clamp off. Okay, this is the part where you're going to want to flip the chain over. And I guess if you really wanted to, you could grind those 2 pins out. Let's just see if it pops out real quick. Let's just see if it's going to pop out easy or not. Where is it? Right there. Man, it's a hot chain. Just grind on it. Of course, nothing's ever easy. So, just go and clamp it down like that. Try to get it up. Just clamp it down. Alright. Try to get a bird's eye view of me doing this here for you guys. And this is the hardest part about putting a new chain on, because the one they gave me is obviously way too long. It's probably for like a 2-stroke 80 or something, which is a long bike, motocross bike. This is a long video. I'm gonna have to cut some parts out. I may have to even grind these 2 pins out. No wonder. Going the wrong way. Duh. Stupid me. It's breaking away. It moved a little bit. There it went, right? Now something fell. Look at me getting all excited. It's moving though. Let me see if I can get a close up so I can show you guys what I'm talking about. So just in case you guys ever have to do it yourself. See where the little line started? Alright. Now see how it's coming out slowly? Yeah, this chain's been a bitch to me lately. Stretch the chain out. It's coming out crooked. There we go. A little bit more. So as you can see, it's almost out. Almost, guys. Let me readjust this. This is being a bitch now. Because it was coming out crooked. There it went. There's one. This should be able though to release this. Yep, see? And as you can tell, the chain just came apart. So honestly, that's probably the easiest way to do it. Because I know of no other easier way. But yeah, that's about it. I thought you were supposed to grind this one. You're not. Who knows? I may even have to grind that one off. I'm not sure. But I'll let you guys know. Even if something happens with it, I could just put another master link on it. And so here's a mini chain. So let's go ahead and test fit it up to the bike now. I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Let me see what it looks like. Alright, so there we go, guys. Chain is on just like that. It makes it really simple when you have power tools. But the thing is, as you can tell on the marks, the back tire can be moved up quite a bit. Like that bolt should be over there where those two bolts are. So the thing is, when I do that, I think the chain is going to actually loosen up a lot. So I may be able to get an extra link out of that, which is that one right there. Well, actually that one. And I really want to try to get to that one, because this chain is gonna, when new chains, they're gonna loosen up, wear out instantly, like within the first couple rides. So I want to definitely do that. But other than that, there you go, guys. That's how you do it. Then you just go ahead and pop the master link back on, which I have on. You put that piece back on right there, and then you put your little clip beaver thingy. You put it in the opposite direction the chain is going to be spinning, so it would go and snap on like that. And that's it. You just go ahead and put that on. So that's how you do it, guys. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Simple. I would definitely invest in an angle grinder. It's not as dangerous as it looks. So thanks for watching. Take it easy. Alright, so got the chain on. Looks good. Let's see if we can actually get it started and moving now. And the best way to set your chain is a little bit of play in it. You don't want it to be super tight. You want to have a little bit of play. And that's about perfect. So thanks for watching. It's going to be a long video. Sorry. Try to cut it up in the editing program. But thanks for watching, guys. Peace.